Hi, I'm Marta. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a box that was so, I can't do it, Darren's going to have to. I appreciate mail that is so tight they can't mess it up or tear it open to see what's inside at the post office. And I witnessed them doing that many years ago. And that's why if you get something from me, it is going to be taped to the top. I mean, I tape them up, and this was, I appreciate it. I've been shopping on eBay, and well, Darren turned me loose on eBay for March. That was my birthday month. My birthday flowers are so beautiful, but they're dying. Darren turned me loose on eBay, and I bought, oh, wait till you see all the AG dolls I have coming in. Mostly minis. I didn't get too crazy, did I? But I found...
Oh, no, not at all.
I had wanted another kit. I have one, she rides a horse. Those girls are busy. They can't really do other things. I had been looking at this dress because I want to make a pattern. And the dress alone is $20 and up, and that doesn't include shipping. And it has these panels in it. And I'm thinking I want to make a pattern, although now I'm looking at it thinking, well, that's a lot. It's not a lot of work. It's a lot of pattern piecing. I mean, to get it cut just right, because I'm not going to take the dress apart. Anyway, I was looking at the dresses, found this gorgeous doll. Darren, can you get a close-up on her beautiful face? This doll is clean. Look at this wig. The wig, once I take a comb through it, is just like new. I mean, it really, really is. And she had the dress. Not only did she have the dress, she has the pin, the Scottish Terrier pin. Scotty. I kept trying to say Scotty and Ish Terrier. And she wasn't much more, so I bought her. I'll be doing some historical sewing for her, and I'm really looking forward to it. Really like this doll anyway. She's just a cutie. You know, they said this dress had some, oh, I see, right here. It does have some spots. You know what? I can overlook that because it's in the back. She's really cute. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Thank you for the time on eBay, Darren.
Yeah. Happy birthday, love.
Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.